be scaben at the buy. Who free take ever scaben at the buy a wakotobon. Tesamudia, the Pia young Bob Wamanu from Uncle Jimmy. They know almost a young baby Kakramamu that say, Yaliana. Missing me beside NDC for now, you see, I from Musika say, debt restructuring 1 year, ye, me patcho, I kick it in, and why are we doing this to Ghana? All because we want somebody to come and spend 4 years. I don't know, I can say, admit to America, say, 4 years, need to intro to me financially. Chairman, that's a Ghana for adrenaline, so. We end this near we are Nipo, and this in this year, Nipanamon.
Oh,
And this in we are Nipa. What Nipana was the woman beyond contesting? No, you didn't know America. Was it there be no 4 years, no granation, no to me financially. He admitted. He admitted, sir, 4 years now, more day, no Mahamanu. All to me financially, but I'm over try. Then to say, at the Mahaman say, I tried you. Get the neighbor tribe you are. I couldn't hear me sorry na me ba. Me mama ni bre na me bo government way. Abasu say onya na juma dey no to me continue with the good leadership no. It's because onipa na say enye yen MPP amba ye de neighbor no. Ya hu ne pain. Chairman, sama hama beba pa de. Sabi bread ya sanka me continue. Because this man
Chairman.
just say,
oh yeah.
Oh, Jai, serious, pa.
What you was say?
Ah, me see my hammer, baby, and come cutting you.
Hey,
Oh, Jai. Killer,
yeah, who your money here?
Oh, Jai. Killer Jai. Your boy propaganda. 2. Adi nipo and starting and yako startia ko ti obi sika free ni baby. And then yes, sika bi aye tie free baby. Me pacho. Usika down yan ko ti bi free so yan ka. Yes, say interest yanka 2023 we ubenya no e na onsanye den enka. Enti yankoti usika unko lose sika o baby yet as it stands. Please, let's get that clear. And then the final thing and they say, as we speak, Bank of Ghana will be paying pensioners and let me put this one too across. They came and said, say, the stabilization fund now is setting up for this program. No, it is to aid certain things. One more insurance premiums now soon. Now almost sign up to this program. No, the money should be available to pay them. Pensioner all the pension in there. Yan friend is sick and yet emano. Ain't it about the same? Ghana for a ban the same among NDC for catching say. Ubiacho me say me who you must see also or your police news is soldier news then NDC for the near propaganda. So what shrini sika? Adia yan starting we are there should sika. Ghana for me careful. NDC only wants power, so they are doing exactly what will win them power.
But fellas,
yeah.
Say no, the communicators no. They don't know so why are they not talking?
Why MPP communicators now?
Yeah.
They are busy fighting for Alan Baumia, Akufo Sarene Ade. Juma na Bema or candidate na winning election. They are no more tongue.
That's a problem.
That's why I keep saying so. Yeah, the baby on make us see dark horses. So what you say? Because say Baumia be winning, chairman. Akufo the record no diko.
Of course.
Kennedy Japan be winning. Akufo the record no diko. Alan Tremanti be winning. Akufo the record no diko.
Now, Con, so the communication, Con, is that his name?
Communication director now.
Yeah, why is he not coming to say anything about it? Because
but you know, me, I was thinking Honorable Richard would have been a bit, but let's watch them. So I feel almost summer starting on my, so let's watch them.
It's been like a week. More than trust, nobody is saying nothing.
Yeah. That is the problem. I said, I'm a party for no boo me. Mo bet now, Nankofuya, you did that, son.
my did this social media but be
and son I'm about na sabe yes one yet social media men about to one aya no pokum ye beba be ka bi no so na ye to ye asu so
Samo
mo asem na mo nkoka chairman. That is the part that hurts me about my party MPP.
it's sad
Asem na ye nkoton because they be ameka nobody from MPP is winning an election if we keep bastardizing Akufo-Addo's record, because that is what all of you are running on. That was why I was surprised. Honorable Chairman was quick to go and throw it under the bus for his own ambition. Right? He says, "Oh, only Ghana for Kokasa record Ben Adeko. You were the trade minister.
Well, they need to start talking. They need to start talking because this is not good.
We have to be careful, Chairman. Omo nka okoka so ayesi empewasem okoka na o didi atem. I mean didi atem saying yeni akwasi ampafuo tu kwan ya gini say bodamani tie Chairman. Last na me ka say me say obi a onda you but what said I say wada ubetime nyane no.
Of course,
Chairman, obi a what said I say wada ubetime nyane no. Oh, few, and that is what NDC is doing. It's not about coat and tie. MPP before it's not about who have the highest one. Why? It's not about coat and tie. It is who can get the message across.
And
away now, Wababuache no Wabawa, who's Wababuache not no a chance space one country. Anyway, Chairman,
Alan people are using Mr. Kufuor's record, which even Akufo no go catch Ghana for say Akufo-Addo is doing better than him.
Oh, don't mind them.
Akufo-Addo is doing better than him.
Me say omo pekura omo nka say yi party ni nyashi onyame hwe yen. Me de me say inshallah at the end of the day Dr. Bawumia will carry the day. Me that one me believe. Also the any so be carry on carry obia with the reasons. But don't go and throw your party under the bus and think say you will win an election. What do you say? Because you are part of the administration, for God's sake. Chairman, you are me say MPP for candidate no say mu nimu ameka kire mu say you are all running on Nana Bawumia ticket, the Nana Bawumia record. That is what they are judging you by.
Of course.
And this say Nana Bawumia nya. Why are you even wasting your time to become a presidential candidate?
Me say we are all watching them.
When you know you are throwing your own party under the bus, so you wouldn't have no record to run on. We need to be careful and tactful. It's always better than cure. And why do you want the person to go and steal before you go and take them to prison? And ask what could you seek from? Why don't you want to digitize your system like America has done, like Canada has done? Into one case or table just talk to a price if you tax. Won't be so far by tax in me. You better show first year.